What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today's video hopefully is going to be a quick little how-to video. In the last video, or one of my last videos, I was cleaning my engine bay and I accidentally pushed down this hood latch clip, and now it's stuck in place. And so I kind of just want to show how to fix it. I'm gonna try my best to figure out how to fix it because I couldn't find any videos on YouTube about it. Maybe I just wasn't looking hard enough. Really couldn't find anything with the same problem that I'm experiencing right now. So hopefully this will fix your guys' problem if you're having the same exact problem as I am. So if you look at the car over here, it might look kind of normal, but on this side it's raised up a little bit. The hood gap is really bad compared to this side. It moves up when I pull up on it, and I'll show you guys why. So let me go ahead and open up the actual hood. So if you guys look on the side that's working, this clip right here is pushed upwards, and on this side it's pushed down. So maybe when I was cleaning it the other day, I pushed it down on accident. I tried it for 2 minutes, couldn't figure it out. So I'm gonna try to figure it out now with my tools. This little metal part right here is pushed down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to figure out how to fix it to where it looks like this, upwards. And if you guys see this one, it gets pushed down a little bit as well. So I just want to figure out how to do it. Yeah, it's pushed all the way down, and I don't understand why. Alright guys, so that was a little bit easier than I expected. Pretty much what happened was, so that you guys can see what I'm talking about, it got pushed down like this, to where it was pushing, facing downwards. And then all you do is you go ahead, take your screwdriver, push down on this metal piece in here. So just go ahead, push down on that about twice, and then it comes all the way up. So I'll go ahead and do it again so you guys can see. Just like that. So now it looks like it's gonna close properly, so let's go ahead and close it. Perfect, now it's actually clipped into place. So I didn't see any videos on it. I thought if you guys had that problem, you just didn't know how to do it and didn't want to break anything, that's how you do it. So it's a quick little how-to video. Hopefully it helped you in case you didn't know how to do that. That's how you do it. So anyway guys, if this helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. Make sure to subscribe as well. It would really help me out, guys. But yeah, without further ado, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.